YouTube, what it do? Y'all know it is. Your boy don't do it to him. Tulex already did it to him. Today's the day, y'all. We gonna throw that rear end back into the 6.4. So I'm out here, man. I've been outside actually all day. I figure I'll stop. Some big genius thought it was a great idea to stack up a pile of dirt in the fire pit like the dirt was gonna burn. Who thinks of that? I did it. I ain't gonna lie. I had all this dirt when I dug up a whole bunch of stuff from up front, and I put the dirt in a big pile in the middle of the fire pit. Like, I'ma burn it. It gonna burn. Dirt don't burn. Okay. I learned the hard way, you know. So now I'm breaking down this big dirt mountain because I cut the front grass and I burned my grass. So, you know, I set it in the fire pit, let it sit there for a few days, burn it. It's good to go. Now I gotta go through all that, so I need a break. But what I'm about to show you, so Rick gonna come over when he get off and get ready to throw it in. So what I'm doing, I'm prepping it. What I mean about prep, I already showed y'all I clamped the inside of the housing. So now I'm doing the axle, the spot where the axle go. I did this one already. You can see it's all cleaned up in there. Hit it with some WD, had a wire brush, got in there, clamped it all out, then sprayed it with the brake clean. And here we go. You got this. Wow. Let me show you the other side. I'm gonna do the other side on camera so y'all can get an idea. Big old mosquito. Oh, that boy gonna bite me. He came in with me. Give you an idea of what I'm doing. So on this side, as you can see, let me turn the brightness up a little bit more. Yeah, it's real crusted. We actually struggled getting the axle out of this section, so I want to make sure I focus in on there for sure. So where my gloves at, I don't know. Let me try to prop y'all. I didn't even bring the tripod. Wasn't thinking. Prop y'all up for y'all to see. Hopefully I can set y'all right there somehow. Let's see what that work. How that look. Okay. That look good. That look good. That don't look good. Is we good? We focus? Can we focus? Tap focus right there. Alright, focus might be out of whack, y'all. Just hold up. But let me try to get y'all together. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Duh. You pay all this money for the high-tech cameras. You better catch this face. Alright, y'all can see it though. I'm trying to give y'all some good quality here, man. Oh, dog, what is that? I don't want y'all out here looking crazy. But that's gonna drive me crazy. I'm trying to focus, y'all, I promise. Why is not focusing? Is you focus on the... Oh, you focus on the WD. Is it too far? Okay. Let's zoom in some more. What about now? Too close? Okay. I'm gonna edit that part out because camera acting crazy. But basically, when you how I showed you, you want to get some WD-40. Soak all that up, cause that's pretty much rust. Soak that. Let me show you. Soak it with WD. It still ain't focusing. I don't know what's going on. I don't know who this is. Hold up, too. Hello?
Hello, this is a message from Delta's Human Resources team. You're receiving this message because our records indicate you are not fully vaccinated.
Alright. Some bull. So we got that soaking in some WD-40. It's not, maybe it's too bright. Let me turn the brightness down. Maybe that's why it's not focusing. Alright, So then what I want to do, you come in here with the wire and brush. Get that up in there. You know what I'm saying? Don't get through it. Up in there. You know what I'm saying? Have it looking like that. Get your brake clean. You know what I'm saying? Clean it up. Yeah, hit it with that a few times. Let that drip. Wipe it on up. Now I guess depending on how bad it is, you can do that a few times. Voila, look at that. Looking clean. Looking clean. Yep. That's pretty much it, really. That's it for me. Did my part. So now what we gonna do? We gonna wait on Rick. That just might be my camera, y'all. Ooh, I don't got nothing to clean the lens off with. Don't do what I'm about to do. You always want to spray it down, lube it up first. Do I look better? It could just be me. But that's it. We got that part. Oh, duh. We got that taken care of. Now the next thing is we're gonna wait on Rick. And when Rick, there you go. See, man, this camera too high tech, man. I hit the wrong button and turned the what's name off. But now that it's clear, let me bring y'all back. Maybe y'all can see for real, for real. My bad about that, y'all. So earlier it was a real rust bucket. I mean, not a rust bucket, but it was rusty real bad just off that. Got it pretty good, and I'm gonna get a wire brush and just brush where the connectors at. Clean up in there. I want it real good for we don't have that problem. Cause like I said, we struggled getting the axle out on this. Oh, actually, I gotta bring my axles back here. Struggle getting the axle out on this side. So I'm gonna do this method probably like 2 more times to get it real clean, and then we'll wait on Rick. Then when Rick get here, wifey calling. Hold up, too. What's up, girl?
Hey, yes, sir, what's the
Not much. Out in the back working.
Oh, okay. I was just calling.
Hey, get off that.
We got a little break right now, so.
Yeah, the kids in there, the Wi-Fi had cut off last night. Comcast said it'll be on around noon. Everything was working for me, but it's not working for Vince, Ruby, and I think for the alarm. I reset the panel box for the alarm. I didn't check it yet.
Are they on mine, or is it on yours?
They running off mine, I believe. Yours is good, because yours pop up. Yeah, I know. I was going to wait a little bit, then I was going to call them, but when I look on the website, it say everything is fine. Even though it did say it was an outage earlier, everything came back to normal. Sorry about that, too. Wifey call. Your boy got an answer. So I came back in the garage to get my axles, and I'm going to take my axles in the back, but I want to point it out. So when I looked at my axles, you can see it's like 2 different ones. So we noticed that. We think this might be the original, because when you look at the bearing, yeah, this one we struggle with. And you see how that boy all jacked up and looking nasty. It took us about an hour and some change to get this one out. This one stayed right out, so you can see the difference. Plus this got one O-ring on it. It's got 2. But you can still see how clean and fairly new this look compared to this. So this probably been on there since 61. And they probably replaced that one. It's no telling. So I'm about to take those back in the back. Clean that housing up again. And the next time I come back with y'all, Rick will be here, and Rick gonna be doing this thing. We gonna get it in, put the oil in, and then we gonna take it for the test drive. I'm ready to see that. Cause if y'all don't know, that's a different gear. See, I keep forgetting, you know, the lighting. My bad, y'all. But that's a different gear. So the original gear was a what was it? 323. That sound about right. It was in the threes, and I put a 7.73 in it. So I think that's a big difference. So it's rated for the street and track. I want to see what it feel like, man. I ain't drive my car in forever. So all right, Tube, man. Stay tuned. We gonna be on you. Cheer. Tube, what it do? We back. We got Ricky Rick down there doing his thing. Man, I was on the phone with Comcast, dog. We had a outage last night. Everything came on, but it didn't. That's weird. So I was playing the game. Well, I got it hooked up directly to the modem. That's working, but all the Wi-Fi stuff, it's not working. It's a good thing we got two, so everybody running on the Wi-Fi. But I got the gamer Wi-Fi. But long story short, we got Rick down there cleaning up the housing a little bit more for where the seal gonna sit on. I was supposed to do that, wasn't I?
Yeah.
My bad.
That's okay.
Seen all the other ones though.
Yeah, you did. Did you clean the tube?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. You mean the inner?
Will the axle go in?
Yeah, I cleaned that. Yeah.
On both sides?
Yep.
Okay.
Both sides. Playboy look brand new.
Uh-huh. That's what they say.
Okay. See how you trying to play me? Oh, whoa. Extremely close. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't feel like going down there. You know what, I'm gonna do it for y'all, man. Hold on. Let me move this stuff out my pocket. Oh, and I had to, you see the WD-40 to get the rust out. Come on, man. Out the that hole you said. You said hit it with the WD-40 first to get the rust down.
Yeah.
And then blah 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 blah. Remember?
Bro, it ain't called blah 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 blah.
You know what I'm saying? You trying to act like I don't know what I'm doing. Only look at him, got it all laid out.
Just want to make sure my mating surface is clean.
That's what,
Put the silicone on here.
that's what I do for y'all.
Make sure it's flat.
Clean.
Down some WD.
Some WD.
Clean. I brought some. I know you got some.
Come on, man, you gotta use all your product.
Oh shit, this is what I do, bro. I don't mind what I bring.
Alright, well, use yours.
I know you're gonna have to use yours one day. So keep it for when you want to be adventurous. You know what I mean? Because this be stuff you be wanting to clean, and the best way to clean is with WD-40. So
yeah, my tools that be bling bling bling
yeah,
bling.
clean them with WD-40 until they turn white. Because you know WD-40 it'll turn your hands white. That's for sure. Get some of this debris off here.
I was saying, look, the light's so dark.
Yeah, I put the light down.
Yeah.
Can't do everything, bro. Hands can only do so much at a time, bro.
Finally gonna have this boy back going. Now, so what would be the difference? I know besides like the gear, as far as driving it. With the first,
it's gonna pull harder.
the first gear gonna pull harder.
It's gonna pull harder because it's 373. Every gear gonna feel different. You know what I mean?
Now, would that be earlier shift or
no?
Everything's same.
Yeah, it will because it's gonna rev a little higher.
Okay.
Because of the gear. The gear is like it's almost like I said, it's almost like a stall converter.
Yep.
And it's like out of the hole a lot more power. Now what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to put this on jack stands because I'm not gonna be able to put the housing on with this in the way.
Right. The jack stands right there.
Yeah, but I mean, are they still in the same placement? Because I don't want to be letting that bitch down and both our heads get wiped off.
No, well, actually, it might drop down here. I just jacked it up higher if I could get up under here.
So it's where it was.
It's
just
where
when
it
it goes
was.
down, it should land right in the same spot.
It should.
Okay.
You just have to
that's
watch
what I'm saying.
Yeah. Don't quote me. Y'all see it, man. The foe will be back on the road.
Well, before you know it. Oh, there's debris off of here. Make sure we cleaned up. Mating surface is good. Torque everything down to 35 foot-pounds.
Oh, you looked it up? Because I definitely didn't look up.
Yeah, I did. 35 to 45.
Okay.
All right, Tess, let's scoot off and under here to make sure the jack stands are in their location.
Yep.
When I let this down so we don't get hurt right quick.
All right, till we be back. You need a hand with that, picking that big motherfucker?
Well, I'm finna see if I can sling him. If I can sling him, I'm good. It's just getting it in the right spot.
I got my gloves if you need. That done stank.
Oh, this bitch heavy than a motherfucker, I can tell you that shit.
I'm coming down there. Won't you blow your back out? Land on your back.
I don't know you're gonna be able to get this pig. Let's line him up. Damn, take all this gasket off. Gotta have to seal it. Let me wipe that. No? Yeah, we gotta stay off of that gasket set. Can you move that dry shaft? Well, you probably ain't gonna be able to move it. Let's do it.
What?
Is it on there?
Yes, yeah. I see the top bolt in, the top two is in, so it might be this one. So I got the rubber mallet. There we go. There we go.
What I got to do?
Whew.
That motherfucker's not light, bro.
At all.
That's a motherfucking pig for your ass.
I don't even like pig, but bacon.
Right. Yeah, my shit should be turkey then. Turkey bacon.
Turkey bacon good.
Hell yeah.
That's with the turkey.
Make sure them bitches lined up right, bro. Because we do not want to cross thread none of these. What's the problem?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh, I thought something was wrong. Like, dog, come on, tell me ain't nothing wrong.
They going on.
Stop fucking around, dog. You play too damn much.
They going on. Oh, that's boats. We got some boats.
I told you to clean these motherfuckers.
Did you?
Yeah, I told you to clean the boats. But it don't matter now because we too far gone now.
Man, you know, once I get home, I'm mind on something else.
I see. What the fuck?
I would have did all that.
Fuck.
don't say all that, too.
What?
Clean the boat.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, candy camera.
Okay.
Candy camera. Damn, is this dirt? Would this song change the color of my... Oh.
Probably dirt when it
It's
comes
dirt.
to you.
Ah. Two. You ain't playing with him. You trying to get the car on the road. Put all this right there. Whew. That's probably the most work I did all today.
Do me a favor, bro. Take that torque wrench.
Uh-huh.
Set it at 35 foot-pounds. You know how to set it at 35
Hey,
foot-pounds?
come on now. Is this digital? Or is this
No, it
manual?
ain't digital. It's the
Oh
clicker.
my God.
The way I do it, the real way.
You said just told me to bring mine. You know I got one in there.
Oh, no, you got a breaker bar, nigga. I need 35
No, I
foot-pounds.
got no what's the name in there.
That's all right. I don't need your shit. I got mine.
Damn, okay.
That's what I'm here to do. Make
Your
it
shit
right.
not even moving, dog.
Man, give me the torque wrench, man, because there's a certain way you got to do it. Come on.
You gotta turn it.
No, you got to
got it
unlock it
unlocked.
first.
It was unlocked.
Okay, then turn
See,
it.
that was locked. This was unlocked, and I'm turning it. It's not moving up. Man, here, man, get this out of my hand, dog. Get your
Right.
out of my
You
hand.
don't know nothing about no motherfucker. Iron head ass.
Look at this guy.
You gonna learn today. Like, you gonna learn today. Let's see where we at. We're at,
It's down at 55.
you at 55?
That's where it was at already.
Okay, then millimeter. You need to be at 35 foot-pounds. 55, 45, 40, 35.
Yeah, I gotta tighten all these.
What's that?
Down.
What's that?
The screws is coming out. The wood.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Gotta do a cross pattern on this.
Tighten that
You ain't taking that by hand, you lying ass.
by hand.
I just realized what you said. Oh, like you got that much torque in your fingertips, huh?
Strap on this. Fancy.
That is not fancy, bro. That is not fancy by no means. Matter of fact, that's Amazon brand.
Oh, I thought this was the Milwaukee boy.
No. The Milwaukee one is extension. Milwaukee's the little smaller one.
That boy look good. Y'all wonder how it look under here? It's solid.
What's that, frame wise?
Yeah, frame wise.
That's what you need. Make sure everything is solid.
So much room though to do whatever. Bushy.
Right there. Put this back. Okay. Tez.
Yep.
Come back over there. Let's get these caps. Let's put this section back. Let's put the caps back on. Give me that one, and then give me that other one. If you can't reach, I can scoot again.
That was like the bottom one, I guess, and that was the top.
I want to make sure all the needle bearings are in correctly. Yeah, because you don't want to lose the needle bearings. They got to be seated.
Should be. That's why I push them all out the way.
Do you know what we did with the boats, the housing boats? Are they on my side or your side? The U-boats. Because I want to be able to get everything done on this rear end.
We both is over here for love nuts, so
No.
everything must be over there. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Alright, so
Hey, dog.
we gonna come back on y'all once we get this bolted up. Yeah. We got the pig on. Now Ricky Rick about to slide these axles in.
Yeah.
You could I thought something had to be pressed in.
What? These. But I got to get these off because this is what locks this on.
Oh, you can press that in? You got that?
Just push it right in.
Man.
Yeah.
I'm thinking machine pressed or...
No, this would, if you had changed the bearings,
Uh-huh.
you would have to press these bearings on.
Ah.
But the bearings are already on here, so we ain't got to do nothing but push it in. But what I want to do is I got that that's yours or mine? That
That's me.
WD-40. We're going to need that. Or do you have a can of
PB?
oil?
Oh, lubricating?
Any kind of oil? Probably
Uh,
not, but don't worry about
I
it.
do. I got some lubrication in there somewhere.
I just need some oil because what I want to do is I want to lube. I'm not going to change this one here because this one wasn't bad.
Right.
I want to change the two
other
on that
one.
side.
Yeah.
But I want to put grease on here so when it slides in here, it's on the slippery surface.
Okay.
And what's going to seal it is the gasket and the, not the O-ring, but the O-ring and the gasket is actually what's going to seal it.
Okay, play.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I might change the O-ring anyway. Let's get this. I don't know what size that is. Let's get these nuts back over here. What was that, 15 millimeter we used last time?
I feel like I left all the tools out that we was using. That's why I never packed nothing up.
It's all right. It's all good, Slick.
Came with this little Dr. Blue bag. And all this rat shit.
I got the blue body bag, nigga. Okay, where? Okay, that is my 15. So,
You wanna go grab mine, man?
what?
You know I got the cold boys in there. Oh, you locking something up, my bad.
You gotta pay attention to what's going on first here, Slick. Why you trying to crack on me, dog? Stop cracking on me, dog. So,
Somebody got the little tuner. What's going on with the tuner cars? Your
they
hood, my hood.
want to ride. They want to be able to ride. Just like you about to do when you get this one running, so it ain't no different.
It is different. Big difference.
Because it's a 6.4?
That too.
Yeah, that too.
It don't sound like no. You hear rub, 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 rub,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
different sound.
Different sound.
You don't want to sound like no racer.
Nah.
That's why I call them racers. Right. You want that man sound,
You know what I'm saying?
not that
But
scream
no
man.
disrespect to my tuners, people.
Oh, they got some fast cars,
Yeah, they do. The front wheels be getting down.
and they got a lot of money in them too. In order for them to get down,
They can have that. Yeah, man. Ooh. Like Alright, script. This gonna be a long video, but it's cool. I might break it up, I might not. I'm just ready to get this back to old boy. See what he talking about.
That's really the main focus.
That is.
Even though this needed this, because we don't know where the problems are coming from, but all of a sudden they seem to come from after the fact.
After. Keyword right there.
Which is starting to be a key headache.
Damn, the boy is dirty.
Okay.
Them probably been in since 6'4".
What?
Them boats.
They do look kind of rough, don't they?
Yeah. Well, when I go to do the conversion, it ain't gonna matter.
Yeah, because you should get all new hardware.
You want the little brush?
No. I'm just cleaning the surface.
Just clean it. I thought you was about to get up.
Because once I put the silicone on there, it's not going to even matter.
Okay.
Because it's going to go beyond that point of that stuff. You know what I mean? So.
Damn. Somebody want you, guy.
Right, somebody posted something and mine's just ringing because it's somebody I know. That's all I get. Cause ain't nobody calling me on nothing, bro.
Is this me?
Yeah, that's. Can you grab? Give me that WD-40. We're not even gonna go through all this.
40 water. Ooh. You need the lubricant. What you want?
No. WD-40 will be fine.
I'll spray it on there, stick it on. Oh!
I thought it did, but it didn't really.
No, I don't think it do nothing. It's gonna get what's the name anyway.
That's part of the deal. He need to do that anyway.
Right.
Punk ass nigga. You had me nervous. I'm like, oh, dog. Oh boy, you gonna have my stomach hurting. Stop playing.
All this about to get. Damn, Rick.
This goddamn.
All right, dog.
Damn.
My man gonna point that out. I ain't do that.
Yeah, he did.
I ain't do that.
You did, we ain't did nothing.
I ain't do that
We
one.
ain't do nothing but put the rear end back together. I think you got something to do with that, bro. Take this off of here before it start getting stuck on here before I need it stuck.
Want me to hold you, man?
Just hang over here.
So if y'all wondering what he doing right now, he putting a sealer on the
It's the axle plate.
axle
To
plate.
seal the axle into the housing. So I'm putting the sealant on here so it doesn't leak.
Then he gonna put the gasket on it. So I need to treat this boy for another treatment. So y'all probably like, Tess, what do you do? I do a lot. I'm more like
You watch.
cameraman. I'm learning. I'm sucking it in, soaking it in. See what I'm saying? Put the SS on there. That way it can bond together. It form like the super.
I don't even know why I'm listening to you. What are you talking about? No. You good?
See what I'm saying?
Over here tripping.
Looking at the sun coming up.
Tell me it's not. Just a peep eye.
You don't see that? The back of the carport shining. So they want me to test ride it.
Yeah, they do.
And the test ride gonna be dry straight to him. Like, hey, come out here, look at this. There you go. Yep. So he lubing it up with the 40. WD-40. Then he gonna spray inside too. Okay.
Yeah. So everything will slide right in.
This one should, cause remember it slid right out.
Yeah, this one did.
Yeah, you
we
ain't
had
no
to
problem
beat
with
that
this
one.
one.
We're gonna probably have trouble with that one.
Think so? Nah, I got up in there pretty
So
good.
let's do it this way, so I don't have to worry about it. This is the fun part. Lining it up to the teeth. And getting it to spin in. Right off the groove, baby. Right off the groove. Okay. Here. Beautiful.
See that? Easy.
Beautiful.
Flyer 2, we gonna come back once we get one side set. I want y'all to see the other side. That's where it was rough at.
Yeah. See what I'm saying?
My bad too. We didn't miss the lecture from Rick.
I can do the next one.
So
Oh,
difference is
Let's do it like this. This is the old O-ring. This is the new. The difference in the stretch.
Yep.
New one going on. Putting it in the groove lip and rolling it on. Perfect. Hit it with a little WD.
And that other one didn't have 2 O-rings.
No, remember this axle was different.
Right.
Remember
Yeah,
I tell you one is
that one
why you got 2 different
yeah.
ones. This got the double seal and that's got the single.
Yeah, I said it in the video.
Yep.
Yeah, so we gonna watch Rick put this one in.
Nope, we gotta do the gasket first.
Gas?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Is this the one that didn't come apart?
Yep,
The screw
that's
stayed
why
in?
Yeah, that's why you left it like that.
Well, look at this. I know it.
It came off?
Yeah.
Yeah. You was tired last
Okay,
time.
where?
They all in there.
In where?
Inside
in the thing?
No, inside the
Yeah. Okay. So let's do this. Let's put a bead on here. This is just to keep it from leaking, just in case it get past the rubber seals.
Yeah.
This will keep it inside the housing area. Keep these seals because you might need them.
All right. That old one like a rubber band.
Gee, stretched out, ain't it? Like that mug been in there for a minute.
Yeah. Since 6'4".
Now, let me work on without knocking the axle over and scraping the car.
Ah, come hold it.
These other bolts out.
Cause I know you look clumsy.
Your uncle. That's what they say. Your uncle, nigga. Your uncle clumsy, nigga.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to go over there and help you. Ain't
No. Only when I'm getting ready to put it back together.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we about halfway done right now.
Pretty much, yeah.
Then I need to go get the key. All right.
Did you charge the battery?
Charge what battery?
In here.
That's a brand new battery.
Oh yeah, you did want to get a new battery. My bad.
I said the lights came on when I opened the door.
That don't mean jack.
I'm gonna set y'all up. Y'all go watch the Rick work while I go get the keys real quick.
Huh?
Good, thirsty hoe?
No, I'm good, bro. I'm good. Yeah, bring me a bottle of water if you got water.
bad, Rick. You ain't had no water.
That's okay.
You want something else, though?
No. I got my cooler in the truck.
Oh, I should have known.
I just thought about it because I'm gonna ask you something, and I got a whole bunch of stuff sitting up in that truck right now. Didn't even think about it, dog, until I just realized you said you ain't got no water. I was like, damn, my truck right there.
This guy got the gas station in his back seat.
You need to find you something in there.
I do. Why you playing?
Hey, go ahead. It's open. Huh?
That's crazy. I was just thinking about some cranberry.
What? Oh, yeah.
I open your door, somebody say, hello, welcome to Quickie Mart.
You say what? Quickie box.
Ricky Mart.
Oh.
Welcome to Ricky Mart.
Said Ricky Mart, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's about what it is, too. Up until it get cold, because if I leave anything there while it's cold, it's going to be frozen.
Frozen.
And the cooler going to expand and bust.
It's about to be time for me to start putting my cleaning equipment in the house.
Yeah, get it drained out and cleaned out.
Mm-hmm, because that would freeze up.
You definitely don't want that to freeze up, bro. Real hammy.
Mm-hmm. Froze up on me a couple of times.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
You had some cleaning jobs in the winter?
Yep.
Do you get a lot more business in the winter than you do summer?
Nah. I do a
you
handful.
get all the business after the winter because of the winter
yep.
snow.
Mm-hmm.
I get you.
Well, anything pretty much in the winter time be like for Christmas, you know, the holidays.
Oh, yeah. Getting ready for the guests.
Yep.
All the people.
But when that boy freeze up, I just wait for about an hour, turn that heater on, built-in heater.
You see this shit?
Hey, what's that?
Right here.
That chip?
That not, yeah.
Mm-hmm. What's that? They cut into it?
I'm not sure. Just make it.
Oh, you want to make it sit on all the way on flush?
Yeah. Okay. This has got to be lined up right.
Mm.
All right, I need that axle, sir. I grab it. I grab
I
it.
my hands full, guy with
Yep,
cheese.
I know. I just thought about it.
All right, I'm done now.
It's late, man. I'm trying to get busy.
Stole all the kids' snacks.
You?
Yep.
I see.
What's the fruit snack?
You ain't no good. Kids should be out here slapping you in your neck.
What do you mean?
Messing with their goodies.
Hey, fruit these bottles.
Don't matter.
That means it's accessible, especially some little cheese. It was good. Well, that was breakfast though.
This nigga.
Breakfast.
Bitch.
Top off though, yeah.
Okay.
What you need me to hold?
Damn, I should have bought my little mini Thor. This mallet, I need something solid.
I got the.
Which one you got? Give me that hatchet.
Yeah, that All American.
Yeah, give me that All American piece. I mean, give me that All American.
Snacks falling out.
Oh, All American piece. I mean, give me that.
All American.
It's right there on your box. I put everything over there.
Ah.
Remember, this side was gonna be a little stiffer.
Mm-hmm. Nope. We'll clean up the backside work. We'll clean up the backside work.
No, that's not gonna matter. Cause that's on the brake. That's on the brake housing. It's just the housing.
There you go, man.
Yeah.
I like that, huh?
I need a solid hammer.
Solid hammer? I ain't bring one on here?
I need something like heavy duty with a heavy thump to be able to tap this in. I forgot all about that damn. You ain't got a mini sledgehammer or nothing? Something heavy duty?
I did. Alright, tube. It took a little while, but we back. We got Rick out here filling up. What you call it? Gear dope.
Gear oil,
Oh,
gear dope.
Now it's gear oil. My man's calling it
Gear
dope.
oil, gear dope. We call it gear dope. Gear oil. Gear dope is the old term. Gear oil is what they call it today.
Well, we doping it up.
Right.
Yeah, I filled out the first bottle. Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, he lost his angle. He lost the angle.
Man, there's a little cold out here. The gear dope got a little thick. You know what I'm saying? The flow wasn't right.
Yeah.
But all along, we got it together. We got the axles in. Bumped into a little problem on the second one. I wasn't recording, but we just swapped out the O-ring.
Where's the first one that you had?
Right behind you. That was about empty. It was still some more in there?
There's still some in there. I'm trying to get everything I can.
Oh, shit. Okay, my bad, pimp. I know it's a little dark, y'all. So what I'm gonna do once you get done? Oh, that's because I had the camera all the way in. Get done putting the gear all in. I'm gonna come back when we crank it up. Yeah. Alright, tube. I know it's hard to see, but me and Rick, we got it together. Right now he checking under there, make sure there ain't no leak. I'm letting the car warm up. I'm gonna put it in gear just so we can see it, you know, tires rotate, make sure ain't nothing wobbling. And I'm still gonna take it up the block one time, and tomorrow I'm gonna bring it out and give y'all an actual video on it. So sorry for the darkness, you know, now it get dark real early. It ain't number like 7, maybe 8. It's pitch black. So I'll give y'all another update tomorrow on it. But hey, thanks for watching. More to come, baby. Cheer.